Hello, financial algebra people. We're going to again address the topic of revenue and expense, but we're going to focus today on profit. Profit, as you recall, is revenue minus expense. This is known as the profit equation. Revenue, the money that comes in from selling your product, minus the expenses, the money you spend to manufacture your product, and what you have left over is known as your profit. So for our example we're doing, profit is going to be the revenue minus 500 p squared plus 30,000 p minus 3,500 p plus 238,000. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to distribute that negative sign, and you end up getting positive 3,500 p minus 238,000. Let me get that right. Okay, these are our like terms, so let's combine them. So our profit equation is minus 500 p squared plus 33,500 p minus 238,000. Now what we're going to do is we're going to graph all three equations, revenue, expense, and profit, and we're going to compare the two. Now, as you recall, profit is a quadratic equation because of the p squared, and the way we're going to graph that on Google Sheets is we have to figure out what horizontal window we're going to use, what we want to use for price. So we're going to use the formula for the axis of symmetry, which is the middle line of the parabola. So it's going to be minus 33,500 over 2 times a, which is minus 500, which is minus 33,500 divided by minus 1,000, and we get 33.5. So if 33.5 is the middle of the parabola, in order to graph the whole thing, let's double that. 33.5 is 67. So we're going to have our window go from 0 to 67. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is pause this video, and then I'm going to go and do a screen record capture of the Google Sheets work.